Hello everyone, I'm Fabio LAVELLI, and in this video I will show you how using PSET pneumatic positioners in a motorcycle workshop can have great advantages in terms of speed, quality and precision of work. With a positioner like P10S, you can save time while working at your best, assembling or disassembling motors, mounting heads, polishing mechanical parts, fine-tuning, painting and much more. Here we're inside a motorcycle repair workshop. As you can see, the operator works a motor head secured on the platform of the positioner and without wasting time can perform all possible maneuvers in perfect comfort. Using a pneumatic foot valve, he can release the platform and orient it in the most practical and ergonomic position to work. When he releases the pedal, the platform stays solidly in position. This way you can easily assemble the head with the camshafts to check tolerances and valve clearances, all in perfect comfort and without wasting time searching for positions and provisional fixings. For every change, the operator presses the pedal to quickly orientate to a new position and continues working. Very simple movements indeed. Using this device guarantees speed, easy execution, and versatility. Inspections, tunings, and assemblies can be carried out efficiently. Going from one process to another is very quick and convenient.
PSET vi offre la soluzione a tutte queste tipologie di lavorazioni manuali, con le funzioni per i suoi funzionatori.
PSET offers you the solution to all manual processes like this. With the functions of its positioners, you can easily reach the best vantage for working, keeping the particulars on the platform fixed and stable, supporting your workflow in ergonomic perfection. Getting all these benefits now is possible with PSET's P10S positioner. PSET, change your perspective.